Ann from Anneliese's Creations. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I am here to announce some exciting news, and I'm sure you've seen it all over social media and in my group, Facebook group and stuff, that I have been asked by Gina Ahrens to be part of her design team for her stamps. So I'm so excited. Yay! So I'm here to show you what I'm going to do, but first off I'm going to show you the stamps. These are her new set of bird stamps. It comes in a sheet, rubber sheet, and then you have to kind of cut them out, okay? You can get them wood mounted. To get them wood mounted is more expensive, I believe. So the least expensive way of going is by getting the sheet, then cutting them out and putting them onto an easy mount, is what it's called, easy mount. And you can find it on Amazon, sheets of these. You only need one sheet to mount her birds on, and the word that it comes with. It's approximately 5 inches by 8 inches. I don't know how much that is in centimeters, so if you're ordering from another country, you'll kind of have to figure out how much that would be. These are $23 on her Etsy shop. I will post a link to her Etsy store and to the actual link for these birds. Aren't they cute? They're cute little birdies, okay? So I went ahead already and stamped out a birdie, and hopefully I can find that birdie because I did have it here. Here it is. So I stamped out this birdie, all right? And see the easy mount? So basically what the easy mount is, it's kind of a cushy, almost how you get, your other like clear stamps. They usually have this kind of backing on it. Some of the stamps do, and then all you have to do is put it onto your acrylic block. It's sticky kind of, so it sticks onto an acrylic block, and then you can stamp. So I already stamped mine. My ink pad is kind of getting low. I need to get more ink, so it turned out a little faint because of that, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be doing something with it. All right, so enjoy my process. As part of my altered playing card group, all right, I'm going to do an altered card today. I'm not doing any dolls today, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the background first. So I found these pieces of papers that people have sent me in Happy Mail. One's in German and the other one, I believe, looks like in Italian. So I'm going to use some pieces of that and I'm going to glue them down here. So I'm just going to kind of do it this way. And I was going to use my matte medium, but because I'm not too worried about this coming up and it's a small area, I'm going to use my Aleene's Max Tacky Adhesive Glue Stick, which is an awesome glue stick. I found it at Tuesday morning. When I was in Las Vegas, we ended up going, there was a Tuesday morning in the next town called Henderson, Nevada, and so Gina and Michelle and Cindy and we went there. And so we found some really cool little, really cool bits and bobs of things at the Tuesday morning. And in some ways, I wish I had gone there first before I spent all my money in other places, because they had some really good stuff there. So anyways, enjoy my process. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this section, because watching me glue paper onto a card isn't that exciting. So yeah. Stays on in the saddle brown. I'm going to add some color to this. I'm just kind of stamping some on this. Kind of aging it a little here. while back on Crazy Island Family, we did a ticket swap. Gosh, probably like the beginning of, not this year, but last year. So someone had sent me some really cool, a cool ticket here. So I'm going to put this on first, I think, before I put the other things on. I think I'm going to paint my bird in, but I'm not sure how I'm going to paint her yet, him or her. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to use some dazzling ice blue metallic paint. So I'm going to paint some guy about the size of this is because it's the right size to put on an altered playing card or artist trading card, because really an altered playing card is really could be an ATC, an altered trading card, because it is the right size as well. It's the right size dimensions for ATC also. And if my ink had been a little bit darker, I wouldn't be covering up some of this. So what I will do is I'll come back in and add a little extra stuff to this bird. That was some Calypso Blue by Americana. I want him to pop on the card, so that's why I'm giving him a different color. Get into the wings here and stuff and fill everything out pretty good, and then I'll come back in and do the eyes and stuff. I think I'm going to take my Faber-Castell Pitt pen. It's called Light Yellow Glaze. I did stamp this onto just some of the spiral bound art paper, mixed media art paper. It's not really watercolor paper per se, but it works for this. Alright, and next I'm going to come in and add some dots on here with the pen, because there were dots here with the black ink, but it's not showing up really well, so I'm just going to add them in there. So there he is. There's the little guy, and then I'm going to fussy cut him off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I fussy cut him as good as I could. There he is. There's the little guy, alright. And now I'm going to come in and I'm going to go ahead and add some embellishments to the card before I glue on the bird. Measure this out first. And I'm making sure I have a good amount of glue on there so that this will stick well. around also. Alright, and then I'm going to glue this little guy right about here. So I want the admit one to show. Now, because I do like bling, I have to add bling to all my things. I'm going to get some bling. A bit more oomph to it, to this card, right? Altered card. And that's the challenge this week for my mixed media group, our mixed media altered playing card group, is to make a altered playing card, like an artist trading card, okay, out of your altered playing card, all right? That's my challenge for you guys this week. All right, but I'm not quite done yet because I need my ink again real quick. Well, it's the same one I was using, the saddle brown, all right? I'm just gonna run it around the edges of my card. It. There's a simple card that you can make with one of Gina Ahrens' stamps, and like I said, I'm going to post the link down at the bottom to her Etsy shop, and go check it out. Go check out what she's got on there. She's got a lot of gorgeous stamps, not just the birdie stamps, but other stamps that you can find. And the birdie stamp is $23. That's the ones that are unmounted. It comes in a rubber sheet. All right, and it's 5 inches by 7 inches. All right, and it's $23. And aren't they cute? I love them. And you notice here, she includes a beak and eyes and some head adornments, head feathers, not tail feathers, head feathers, that you could create your own. All right, so isn't that cool? And some words, let your soul fly. Okay, and so stay tuned next time for what I might be doing with these other little guys, all right? So thanks for watching, everyone, and I shall see you next time. Bye, Toodles. Have a wonderful day. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Listen to some music. It's good for your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Toodles.